Hi guys, this is another follow-up to a video on I have a big fat dock. I should do Rocket Dock and how I got it configured and the Stacks docklet. Now I've had some comments on this saying how do you install Stack docklet? I see the Stacks docklet link, but how do I get it to work on my iSynapses dock? So I'm just going to be showing you how to install and use the Stacks docklet. Now I know some people are wanting me to make different videos, but I'm dedicated to my subscribers and answering questions from them, because without you guys I wouldn't be here. So let's start. Stacks docklet. So I've downloaded it from this link that I provided in the description, and I've downloaded it to my desktop. So I'm just going to double click it and you can see it's got a Stacks docklet folder. I'm just going to go to my computer and go to C, Program Files, Rocket Dock, and then Docklets. I'm then just going to drag this in, and then I'm going to click yes, and then we'll have the Stack docklet inside Rocket Dock docklets. Make sure that inside that folder you have the dynamic link library and an images folder, and that's pretty much it from the installing it into the dock side of things. Now if you right click this, go to add item and then the Stack docklet, you can see it brings up an arrow. I'm going to right click this, go to icon settings, and it asks me for a folder, so I'm just going to link it to C, users, administrator, downloads. So I'm going to show my downloads inside this stack. So the icon, I'm just going to use a random one, Columbia Blue, so I'm going to have a rocket as the downloads icon. So there we go, it's pretty much done. There's the downloads icon, click it and out pops all the stuff that I've downloaded in my downloads folder. So that's about it really. Now those of you guys are probably thinking you've just made a video on replacing the taskbar with Rocket Dock. Why is it back? Well, I've just been messing around with different configurations, seeing which ones I like. So that's about it really. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.